I wish the entire world be peaceful and happy and secure, safe. Yesterday, I listened to President Donald Trump, and he's very emotional now, and he's like aggressive. If you love your people, good. There's nothing wrong to love your people. But if you love the entire humanity, it is much better. Your heart becomes totally noble if you really truly love the entire humanity. Because we need love. Nothing other than that. The America is a powerful country, everybody knows. When America is unstable, the entire world will be very difficult. If you love your people, it's good. It's good. There's nothing wrong. But if you love the entire humanity, it's much better, right? There's no argument at all. If you really truly love the entire humanity, your heart is totally noble. We need love, not weapons. We really need love, not weapons. Without love, even single family cannot be peaceful. Even single family cannot be developed. Even single family cannot be secure. So the entire humanity to be peaceful need to love. Without love, how can we lead the world beautifully, peacefully in the age of technology? I just want to ask the world leaders and the United Nations Assembly, love your people and your country, your nationality. It's okay, there's nothing wrong to love your people and your country and to love your nationality. But the country like the United States, America, should love the entire humanity, should expand your heart much more, wider, to cover the entire humanity. Because you can do a great job to the entire world and humanity. I hope the world will be peaceful and secure in 2025 and the coming year 2026, because we're not going to end the 2025. 2026, we should try to carry the world to be more peaceful and more secure by love. We need love, not weapons. We really need love, not weapons. We are human beings. Why shouldn't we be instructed to love people, to love the entire living phenomena? Right? We should try to love each other. If it's possible, we should throw the weapons away, put it in the trash can, and we should love each other, to live in a love without weapons. I hope the world will be peaceful in the end of the 2025 and coming year in 2026, because we're going to end the old year 2025 and the new year 2026 soon. I hope everyone happy, healthy, and secure. Thank you.